What's up, guys? We're back for another video. Today is a very exciting day. I got quite a few things going on today, and we're gonna record a few of them, but one of them I'm gonna make a special video for. So first of all, just let me touch base with you on what's going on with the all-wheel drive car. There's big stuff happening today. I'm really excited. I'm gonna share that with you, but I did want to show you that we did end up clearing the bay. The bay is all cleared now. We're gonna let it dry, keep drying. It's already dried for 15 hours. We're gonna let it dry for another 24, 48 hours. Then we're gonna wet sand the bay and get it all wet sanded. So it'll have that really nice shine to it. Probably a 600 grit we might use on it, wet sand it really well, and it should look amazing. I also got some fun stuff happening here in a little bit. We're gonna take off on a little journey, on a trip to go pick up something, and I'm gonna take y'all along for that. So we'll be looking at that, but let's check out the car real quick. So guys, here we go. The car has been cleared. We have the whole engine bay cleared, ready for some parts to go in. We got lots of parts to go in this car. So yeah, we're ready. We're ready that this bay is cleared. We can start adding all the little components we need on all of our brake system and clutch system, all from Willwood. Yeah, it's gonna be really nice, guys. I'm super excited, super stoked for this, and we got a bunch of stuff right there in those boxes. Suspension components, pedals, all kinds of stuff is going in this vehicle soon. And like I said, guys, we're gonna have another surprise here. I'm gonna take you along for this journey. So this part of the car cleared. The video is gonna pick up on our journey. So here we go. Alright guys, we're on our way to that surprise I was telling y'all about today. We're headed to exit right now and pick it up, and when we get there, you'll see what's up. So this is the surprise, guys. I went to the junkyard, and my buddy over there, who's been really nice to me and Cody's always keeping an eye on him, and they were able to get us a deal on this motor. There's a K24A2 TSX motor. We got it for $500, so we ran right away to get it. Most of these cost what, around 800 to 1,000, Cody, around there, something like that. Yeah, a little bit higher than that. We're able to get this K24A2 for 500 bucks. I could use the block, Cody could use a head, and we're good to go, man. This is gonna be a good come up for us. It's a good, how do they say it? How do the kids say it, Cody? A good cop. Yeah, we got a good motor here. So this is the surprise I was telling y'all about. We're gonna be disassembling this probably tomorrow. And looking through it, I also got some other surprises right there. That's for a video tomorrow. We'll talk about that tomorrow. And hey guys, tune in tomorrow. Later.